Well, hello. Welcome back to the Karnes Motorsports International World Headquarters here. Got the what you want to call it there, the tubular radiator support all done, welded in the car. She's permanently fixed now. I didn't end up. Initially thought I was going to have to cut these brackets off and kick them back because there was a little bit of a acrement onto the radiator there, but I ended up just kicking the whole thing back. I took a little bit more frame rail off the bottom there and just kicked the whole thing back. So radiator has a slight acrement onto it, but it's not terrible. It'll be fine. I added these brackets here. That's for the condenser. I will end up just probably drilling them and jamming a riv nut in there, and then I got the brackets. Well, I had brackets. Here's one. So yeah, these little brackets here hold the bottom of the condenser, so I'll just zap a hole in there and jam a riv nut into that. Jam a riv nut into this guy down here, and then these guys here will, I'm doing this one-handed and it's not easy. But yeah, they'll kind of affix onto the front like that. Sorry about the lighting, but yep. So anyways, I didn't film any of the welding of it because I just wanted to get it done. And then I actually shot this video before, and apparently I'm an idiot and held the phone vertical, or it just flipped somehow. I don't know, but it was screwed up, and I despise vertical video. So anyways, that's where we're at with that. I got the radiator here. I can just kind of set it on there and show you. And again, I got some rubber things to go down in the bottom there, but yeah, radiator sits right in there. Like I say, it's got a slight acrement onto it, but it'll be all right. And then the condenser, jam this piece on the top here. This piece goes, it's kind of tight. But yeah, so that guy goes on there, and then the condenser will fit right up underneath the edge here and go down there, and then the lines will go through here. Being that this radiator's a lot bigger than the stocker, like it's way bigger, I had to zap a little bit of excess material out of there, but lighter and faster. So anyways, that's where we're at. Sorry I didn't film it while I was welding on it. Had kind of a hectic day, but I had a few minutes there in the middle to get her welded in there. So that's that. Next step, clean up the shop a little bit, and then I got to rip the K member out of it, and probably should drop the sway bar and get everything cleaned up. I got to mask the inside of the windshield and the side windows over there, get them all masked up, and then I'm going to hit all this floor in here with epoxy primer, because the lizard skin will not stick to bare metal, I guess. So figure I got some epoxy primer, and I still gotta epoxy the rockers, and I want to epoxy all this. Gotta epoxy this guy so we can start doing the body work on that. But get everything epoxied. That'll probably be tomorrow night, Tuesday at the latest. Didn't get as much done this weekend. I went from being a bad boy and not allowed to go to work to working 7 days a week, but whatever, it's all money. So yep, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. We'll get some better content here as we get this body work out of the way. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, throw me a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Till next time.